So I'm going to show you how to install the Clerk Liing infant car seat without the base. This is wonderful. Say you're taking your child in a taxi like an Uber. Yeah, it's not feasible for you to take the base from your vehicle. So to do this, you just need this blue, and there's a blue behind and another blue. Those are where your seatbelt has to pass. So you drag out your seatbelt to the end. Find that the easiest way. Drag it to the end, and then I find when I do it like this and pass it through this, pass it through the back. There's the back, you put it on top, and then it's already passed through here. Then come in, pass through this part, this blue as well. Then you put in your car seat. That's it. You just need to make sure, yeah, they're all there. Then you might need to adjust it for the rear incline for your child, and yeah, just make sure that any excess is gone. So this is how you install the Clerk Liing infant car seat using your seat belt, and yep.